Hello everyone, welcome to our show. Today I'm going to try mutton fry. So I've got 1 lb of goat meat here. So let's get started. First I'm going to cook the meat in a pressure cooker. So I'm adding all the meat in the pressure cooker and adding 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and finally 1 cup of water, and mix all together. And turn on the heat and let it cook for 20 minutes or up to 4 whistles. So totally 4 whistles came and the pressure is released. So let's open it. There you go. Our goat is cooked well. So we can separate the water and meat. Retain that water, we might need it while frying. So I have separated the meat and let's keep this aside. And take a frying pan, turn on the heat, adding 4 tablespoons of oil, once the oil is hot, I'm adding little cumin seeds, 1 onion cut into small pieces, now saute these onions until they turn into light brown in color. The onions are fried. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it for another 30 seconds. And now I'm adding 1 tomato cut into small pieces and cook this for another 5 minutes now. The tomatoes are cooked. Now I'm adding salt, 1 tablespoon of salt. Since we added salt already while cooking the goat, so I'm adding very little salt now. And I'm adding chili powder. So this has got red chilies, coriander seeds and turmeric powder. All three combined in this chili powder. So I'm using 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. And give it a mix and let it cook for 1 minute. And I'm adding half a teaspoon of pepper powder. And mix it completely. And finally I'm adding our cooked meat. Just mix it. So let it cook for a couple of minutes like this. And now I'm adding the water that was left out while we cooked goat. Just a little bit. Just mix it and keep stirring it and let it cook like this until all the water gets drained. So it's been 10 minutes and I'm adding some more water and let it cook for another 10 minutes or until the water gets drained. So it's been 10 minutes. The water is almost dried. Now I'm turning the heat to a very mild flame and adding half a teaspoon of garam masala and little fennel seeds powder and mix it. So I'm going to move this to the next stove. Let it cook on a mild flame. And for seasoning, I'm using a small pan, adding 2 spoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding little mustard seeds and few cashew nuts. Just give it a gentle stir. And then curry leaves. Now I'm going to turn this off. And then add it into a curry. Okay, just mix it. And finally, coriander leaves. So let it cook for 2 more minutes and then we can turn off the heat. Our goat fry is ready. Just give it a mix. And then in 2 minutes we can turn off the heat. So it's ready. I'm going to turn off the heat. So there's our mutton fry. Please give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys.